Hello all. Today we will see how we call REST service, how we call Netsuite through REST services using Postman. So for this, we are creating what prerequisite we required. So we will discuss about this. So for that, we want credentials like consumer key, consumer secret we want. So you just need to create a first you have to create the integration record. So how you create the integration record? Go to the setup part, then integration, then manage integration. So once you click on the new manage integration, so you just need to click on the new button. So once you click on the new button, as you can see, I already created one integration record here. So once you click on the new button, you just give the name to the integration record. As we are using authentication 2.0 here, so you just need to click on the tab for authentication 2.0, and that you just need to check the checkbox for authorization code grant, erase web services. Only two checkbox you need to check. The rest all the checkbox you need to uncheck. Okay. So after that, what you can do is so as we discussed earlier, we are calling or we are using REST services through Postman. So here in Postman, once you go to the Postman and once you create a new services through collection, so you can see here there is an option for new collection. So once you click on here, add a request, new request will be added here, and you can give a name. You can change the name of the request here, and you can select the post here. So first of all, so if you go to the authorization tab, and if you just scroll up, you can see one option for callback URL. So you just need to copy this URL. Okay, go to the integration record and paste here in redirect URL field. Okay, so once you save this record, you can get the credential, consumer key and consumer secret here. So you just need to copy both the key because once you refresh this record, both the credential keys are uh, it will be disappear here. Okay, so as you can see, I already copied the both the consumer key and consumer secret key here. Okay. Then once you create the credentials, okay. Next step what you can do is you can come to the postman and then click on new collection, click on plus button, create a new services, give a name to the new services, select the method here. As we are creating a new customer in Netsuite to REST services using authentication 2.0, we are using a post method because we need to create a new customer in the NetSuite. So if you want to get some data or get the data of the customer, that time you are using a get method. So for that, different methods are there. If you want to update the customer, so you are using a patch method. If you want to delete a customer, you are using a delete method. So here we are creating a customer. So we are selecting post method here. Okay. Once you select the method here, okay, click on the authorization tab. Uh, as we are using authentication 2.0, so you need to select the authentication 2.0 here. Then for add authorization data to, you just select a request header. Okay. Then what you can do is, as you can see in authorization tab, just scroll up, scroll down, then give a token name. Whatever name you have to provide, you can just give a name to the this uh, token. Then grant time is always selected as authorization code. Okay. Once you scroll down, for a callback URL, as you know, you just need to copy this and paste in the integration record. That's it. For authorization URL and access token URL, I will be preferred in the help center. You just search for using Postman with authentication 2.0. So you can come to this topic, just scroll down. Okay. You can see they already provide the authorization URL and access token URL. So you just need to copy this both the URL. Make sure here in account ID, you just replace your account ID, your NetSuite account ID. Which account ID? If you go to the NetSuite, you can see this is nothing but your account ID. Okay. You just replace your account ID with this URL. copy both the authorization URL and access token URL, okay, and paste it here. As you can see, I already pasted it with my account ID, okay. So once you scroll down, it will ask you for the client ID and client secret. So how you get this client ID and client secret? So if you remember, I already copy both the consumer key and consumer secret. It is nothing but the client ID and client secret. Okay. So you just copy both the client ID and client secret, paste it over here. If you scroll it down, it will ask for a scope. So how you copy the scope? So if you go to the help center, you can get the scope value like REST web services. So you just copy these REST web services, paste it over here, okay. Then it will be asking you for a state. So what is the state? So you can see here in a state, it is nothing but this can be a random string character for it with at least 22 character. So you can get any random character from Google, okay. So I just Google it and copy the random character of 22 character, okay. Then you can just paste it over here. Then in a then you can see it asking for a client authentication, okay. So in client authentication, you just select the send as basic authentication header only, okay, nothing you need to do. Then what you can do is you just need to click on the get new access token. So once you click on the get new access token, it will be the new access token will be assigned. As you can see in a when we call a RESTlet, that time we are creating a four keys. Uh, a token also we are creating access token, token access key, and token secret and access tokens key, and consumer key and consumer secret. We are four keys we are providing. But for REST services, we are just creating a two keys, consumer key and consumer secret. For token keys, we are when we click on that button, it will be creating a tokens as well. So you can see here, once you click on that button, it will be assigned that token here. And you can see the expiry for that token also. Once it will be expire, you just need to create a tokens again. Okay. So uh, suppose you click on the new token key. So once you click on it, it will be asking, it will be showing the window like this. So you just click on the continue button. Then you just click on the proceed button. Okay. So it will showing the some access tokens here. So you just click on use token. So those tokens will be assigned here only. Okay. It will show the expiry of the token as well. So as you can see, everything is set up. So next part is like you just need to create a new customer, right? So whenever you want to create a new customer, some customer record as well or any other record as well, you just need to provide the mandatory fields for that, right? So in the body, you just need to provide the mandatory field for that customer record, right? So I have sending the board data in a JSON format. So once you click on raw, company name is mandatory. So I'm just providing example contact 1, 2, 3, or 5. Or suppose I just give it name as example contact, something like that for that customer. Okay. Or for example, I will give demo underscore cost underscore rest. Okay. Then entity ID, if you want, you can provide. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. And third part is subsidiary. It is must. Okay, subsidiary you just need to provide. So first, if you go to the customer record and the Netsuite, okay, you can see total customer record will be 82. Okay, so now we will check if the customer record is created or not. So once you click on send button, okay, it's showing 1 and 204 no content. That means customer record will be created. Okay. Customer record is created. So you just refresh the record. You can see the count is now 83. Okay. And you can see our customer record is created already. Yeah. So you can see our customer record is created. Status is also set. A subsidiary is also set as a parent company. So yeah, this is where we are seeing. So now we will see. We are seeing the how we create a new customer using a post method through REST services. In next video, we will see the how we get the data from the existing customer. Okay.